Hello and welcome to yet another YouTube video here on this channel. In today's video, we are diving into Xtiles to talk about what I really like about it and why I really like it. But before we do that, let's jump into the pricing of Xtiles. So I actually got gifted the yearly plan as well as an affiliate link as someone who reviews this product. I have a lot of free yearly plans to be able to review these applications. But the pricing here is a free, a plus, a family, and a team plan, with the free plan limiting you to personal spaces as well as pages per space. You also are limited on AI credits, which I haven't tested out. I am so tired of testing out AI stuff. You have a plus plan here as well, which gives you unlimited spaces. It gives you things like recurring tasks, color customization, unlimited AI credits, the two-way sync, linked pages, timeline view, also priority support. So that is 8, 25, or 15, depending on monthly or yearly pricing. There is also a family and a team plan as well. You also have the 3-year plus plan believer subscription, which is basically this plan for 3 years at 199 USD. So that is around 100 cheaper than it would be on the yearly plan. If my math is right, it probably isn't. So just double check that. But it says right here 297, 33% off, 199. I think that's right. So that is the pricing plans inside of here, and just remember that taxes may apply as well. Let's jump into the application to talk about what I really like about it. So I recently got back into my notebooks, my journal, and even a little bit of bullet journaling, and that is where this comes in because it has some of the same features. Like it functions a lot like a digital bullet journal of sorts. So you have your different spaces here. I have one called YouTube tutorial. There are a bunch of templates here. You can add new pages using templates. There are so many, and you can even generate with AI, which again I haven't tested out. But you also have this My Planner right here. This is the one thing I want to focus on because in here you have your planner, you have your calendar, you have tasks, projects, you have the AI stuff where you can like create things using AI. You can do plan for me, coach me, explain, compare, create new pages, new projects, and even new tiles. So these are tiles, while this is your page, and you also have projects here as well. But these things right here, these are tiles. You can also press the AI on the tiles as well. Um, but what I really like about this is this, let's call it a bullet journal style way of seeing things. Like in bullet journaling, you would probably call this a spread. And this is kind of like spreads, basically. You have your notes, you have a widget right here, you have the important task you don't want to forget, you have some time blocking, you have tasks, but these can actually change as well. So you have a bunch of these like ADHD student planner, ADHD daily page, minimal daily layout. So you can use different ones in here. But you also have the calendar. This is where the like two-way sync comes in. I am currently in October. So I can open up one of my daily pages, for example. This is Saturday, November 9th. So you can go ahead and like open up your daily pages. I can go ahead and open up tomorrow's daily page, for example. So you can do that as well, just like a yearly spread in a bullet journal, or just like a yearly overview in any other note-taking app with daily pages, basically functioning like regular daily pages. You have your tasks. These can be sorted by urgency. You have your to-do like table because this application also uses databases. Uh, you can create different filters, for example. So if I had like test task 1, 2, 3. I can go ahead and add this. There are different properties I can fill out. Let's just set this to tomorrow because I have something I want to demonstrate later. And you also have projects. So here you can add a new project. So I can add project number 2. So let's call this project 2. Let's just give this a tag. Let's call it home. Time frame. Let's just start it today. You can also go ahead and add a cover. I can open up this right here, and let's say I wanted to add my tasks. You can see that in the left corner here, you can add different things, even widgets, and these are new. So I like to have widgets in here. So let's do a clock, or uh, let's do an analog clock. Some of these are under the Pro plan. So like the hydration reminder, the Pomodoro White, the Pomodoro Orange, yearly progress, they are under paid plans, but I can go ahead and just use this one right here. Let's make this a little bit bigger. The time is actually off by an hour, it looks like. Because now it's 18:35, so 6:35 here. So off by no, it's actually right. Just me not being able to see properly. Anyways, you can add widgets, you can add your tasks. I can also just go ahead and do it like this. Go ahead and add tasks like this. So I will just click task. And I can add a task. Let's say this project had a task called redesign website. I can go ahead and schedule this for today, tomorrow, or give it a date and time. Let's do Thursday the 16th. And let's just add one other task. Let's call this redesign logo, just again for the sake of this video. Let's set this to Friday. So now we have 2 tasks. These are your tasks inside of your project. You can also see all of your tasks in here, where you can see like today, you can see upcoming, you can see inbox, and you can also see things that are assigned to you. This is probably more important if you are working in a team. um, but if I now jump back into my planner and we go through the days here, you can see that this test task appears right here. So I can go ahead and just finish this off. Let's go to Thursday. This was the redesign project task. This also appears in my daily page. And the same goes for the last task, which is redesign logo. I think this is the selling point. Like, this is the reason why someone would use an application like Xtiles. One thing is that it is visual and we like visual applications, but the second thing is this right here, that you are able to like put tasks anywhere, like inside of a project, and it will appear in my daily planner, where I will do my daily planning. And having a system like this with like daily, weekly, let's just do a basic week here to show you that, to have like daily, weekly, and monthly, quarterly, and yearly pages, it makes it easier to like do those things, to sit down and actually do the planning when you have these templates right here. So that is the thing I love about Xtiles, but also the fact that like everything feels so well integrated together. When I've used Xtiles, I've mainly used this My Planner. I haven't used Spaces. I haven't added many new pages, but you can actually go ahead and do that. You can create new pages. Let's say you wanted a mood-based planner, or there are a bunch of different ones here. You can also go ahead and just create your own, start with a blank page and create a database. You can have a calendar on the plus plan. You can have a timeline. So there are a bunch of things you can do here. But I love how everything is just so well integrated back into this planner right here, where you will do most of your stuff. Again, here you can see different types of monthly planners. So this is a monthly to do. So you can see how these actually look. I can also go ahead and just use the template. And there is one for quarterly and there is one for yearly as well. So that is what I really like about this application. It is the tasks combined with combined with these like daily pages and this beautiful layout. You also have things like quick notes or an inbox. This is where like everything from the web clipper or everything on the mobile app, you can just save it quickly here and then organize it once you are back on the computer. You have all your tasks. You have the calendar view right here, which is great, both because you can see your tasks again, but also because it can be integrated with Google Calendar, and I know a lot of people like that. So I feel like Xtiles often is a really underutilized tool, especially if you are into planning and visual planning. This should definitely be an application to take a look at in when you are, especially when you are planning the next year. I feel like Xtiles is the perfect like place to start planning a year if you are considering moving to another application. But let me just say that this is for people who want to spend a lot of time actually organizing things. This isn't for someone that just wants to quickly capture things and move on with their life. If you are doing something like this, that's why I use the bullet journal example, because no matter how you look at it, a bullet journal takes much more time than a digital notebook. The same goes for Xtiles. It takes much more time than other like productivity applications I've tested out. You need to like spend more time on it. It might you might have to sit down and like tweak some of the templates. You might have to like spend more time than you want to planning out your days, weeks, and months. So this definitely isn't for everyone, and I recommend testing it out and seeing whether or not this way of doing planning and productivity works for you, because for a lot of people it does not. If you like Xtiles, I will leave an affiliate link down below, either a link or a code, and I will also leave a non-affiliate link. If you don't want to support the channel, that's okay too. So I will leave both of those down below. Thank you so much for watching today's video.